Color grading can make or break your video. If your footage looks flat, dull, or inconsistent, you're not alone. But with the solid color grading workflow in Premiere Pro, you can turn basic clips into cinematic gold. In this video, I'll show you how to color grade in Premiere Pro step by step using Lumetri Color, balancing exposure, building contrast, and creating that pro grade film look. Here's the thing. Most editors stop at color correction, fixing exposure or white balance, but skip true color grading where you shape tone and emotion. Think of it this way. Color correction gets your image accurate. Color grading makes it beautiful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand the difference and how to blend both for a clean, cinematic finish. Step 1, prep and correct. First things first, start with color correction in Premiere Pro. Open your clip, head to the color workspace, and use the Lumetri Color panel. Under basic correction, start with white balance. Use the eyedropper tool on something neutral. Exposure and contrast. Adjust until highlights and shadows feel balanced. Saturation. Bring life back, but avoid overdoing it. This step ensures your footage is technically accurate, your foundation for grading. Pro tip, use Lumetri scopes, waveform and vector scope, to measure light and color instead of relying on your monitor alone. Step 2, establish a cinematic look. Now that your footage is corrected, it's time to add style through color grading. Jump into the Creative tab. Here's where the magic happens. Apply a LUT or lookup table for instant stylization. Premiere includes a few, or import your own. Adjust faded film, sharpen, and vibrance to fine-tune mood. Push shadow tint or highlight tint slightly for warmth or cool tones. A subtle teal or orange contrast often gives that cinematic pop, but less is more. This is professional color grading in Premiere Pro, where restraint equals polish. Step 3, match and balance shots. Consistency is key. Select multiple clips, open the Lumetri Color panel, and use Comparison View to line up two shots side by side. Click Apply Match. Premiere's built-in AI will auto-balance exposure and tone to match your reference shot. Then fine-tune manually, especially those midtones and skin tones. This step ties your sequence together visually and keeps your storytelling cohesive. Step 4, final touches and workflow tips. Once your grade feels right, head to the Curves tab and refine color contrast. Use RGB curves to enhance depth. Play with hue versus hue and hue versus saturation for skin tone control. Finally, apply a vignette for focus and mood. For professional colors, this is the polish that separates cinematic from amateur. And if you're working in teams or handling high-res files, LucidLink can help, letting you stream and grade massive ProRes or RAW files directly from the cloud without downloading them. Perfect for remote color sessions or client reviews. Step 5, save and reuse your look. Once you love your grade, turn it into a reusable preset. In the Lumetri panel, click the menu, Save Preset, name it, and you can instantly apply that same look to future projects, ensuring brand or stylistic consistency. So that's your full color grading in Premiere Pro workflow, from correction to grading, matching, and exporting. Remember, correction fixes, grading inspires. If you found these Premiere Pro color grading tips helpful, hit subscribe for more tutorials on editing, post-production, and creative workflows. And if you want faster access to your footage for grading and review, check out LucidLink, linked below.